Oh no, he's hanging on.
Where did he go?
No, Mom, that has to be a gorilla.
I don't know where he went. Uh-oh. Where did he go? There goes the monkey.
Yeah, there's one right there.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's playing with the tree. No, it's...
I can't get a close
Oh
shot.
no, Mommy, I think it's a howler monkey.
A who monkey?
Howler monkey.
Oh, maybe that's why it make that sound like a gorilla.
Mhm.
Okay. It's climbing. Oh, see?
Yeah, Mom. Look, see, it looks. The howler monkey is like a gorilla. It kind of looks like an
Orangutan?
Orangutan too. Look,
Ooh.
with their uniquely.
Oh, look, it's more than one.
Yep.
Oh,
wow.